Hey everybody, I thought it would be kind of fun to do a little home tour of our fall decorating for before and after. This is the after. I've got some garland that I ran all along the edge of the countertop. Our home is already full of fall colors. Put out a cute little harvest blessing towel. Of course, you have to have a scarecrow. And these spooky and boo cookie jars are for my daughter. Little owl I use year round, and I put my sugar in him. Our kitchen window was pretty bare, so I thought it would be a good opportunity to liven it up with some fall colors. So I'm going to reuse the succulent, but I put lots of garland with pumpkins and leaves in place. I put some aloe in this cute little blessed and thankful canister. And there is my she believed she could, so she did succulent. Thought it looked kind of bare in front of the basil, so I had to find just the right thing to put in place there, and I think I found it. I found this quirky little guy at a thrift shop. In this corner, my main concern is that I love this turquoise riser, but the color is all wrong. So I needed to figure out what to do there. I went ahead and laid out the garland. Got my little owls and my pumpkins all in place. I think it looks beautiful. I love all the fall colors so much, but something still wasn't right. So I went ahead and added this wood tray, and I put some faux acorns inside of it, and it ended up just perfect. This is our entry table, and I covered it with another wood tray, some pumpkins, and a candle. On the dining room buffet, I have not been happy with this wreath. I just threw it up. So I replaced it with this mirror and added more colors and foliage all around. It definitely had the fall vibes already, but I think the pops of orange just finish off the look. Here is our downstairs bathroom. I already had a couple little pumpkins in place, but I went ahead and added pops of color to the rest of the room. Makes it kind of fun for the guests to come in and see that every area has been covered in fall. I love decorating with vintage cameras and books, and also vintage mason jars. Owls are a common theme throughout my home also. I made this little pumpkin when I was about 9 years old, and it's one of my favorite decorations. Here's just some other little areas around the house where I put touches of autumn decor. And I have to say, each little piece brings me such happiness. I just love decorating for fall. This sign is up near our entryway year-round, but I think with the greenery at the top, it adds those fall colors. And then our entertainment center, I added some fall decor to each little section there as well. There's another old camera and some antlers, and lots of greenery everywhere. Thank you so much for watching my short video. I hope you enjoyed it. and I loved getting to share it with y'all.